Okay, translation of this song you're going to hear, this chant. Should I call you as the one with attributes or without attributes? With or without attributes, you are the one, Govinda. Should I call you as the seen or as the unseen? Should I call you as the one with form or without form? Should I call you as gross or subtle? You are the one, Govinda. O Supreme Self, how should I regard you? As Nirgun or Sagun? Should I call you the one with attributes or without attributes? With or without attributes, you are the same one. That's what it means. Should I call you as the seen or the unseen? Should I call you as the one with form or without form? Should I call you as the gross one or the subtle one? You are always the same unchanging one. So whether you address the unchanging one as Lord Krishna, Govinda, Lord Ram, whether you call him God or Allah or the great void, whatever one, he is the formless one, but appearing as though with form. He is the timeless one, appearing through time. He is the subtlest one, appearing as gross. He is the one inside your heart who is what you are, appearing to be a person. He is the unchanging one who in form keeps changing. Young, child, teenager, mature person, old person, ex-person, next person, no person, personal, impersonal, time, timeless.
सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंदु रे एक गोविंदु रे सगुण निर्गुण एक गोविंदु रे एक गोविंदु रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे अनुमानेन 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 श्रुती नेति नेति म्हणती गोविंदु रे श्रुती नेति नेति म्हणती गोविंदु रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ दृश्य म्हणो की अदृश्य रे तुझ दृश्य म्हणो की अदृश्य रे दृश्य दृश्य एको गोविंदु रे दृश्य दृश्य एको गोविंदु रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ आकारू म्हणो की निराकारू रे तुझ आकारू म्हणो की निराकारू रे आकारू निराकारू एको गोविंदु रे आकारू निराकारू एको गोविंदु रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे तुझ स्थूळ म्हणो की सूक्ष्म रे तुझ स्थूळ म्हणो
Even if you have nothing, it is hard to find that contentment which comes from renunciation. I accept nothing, I reject nothing, and I am happy. The body trembles, the tongue falters, the mind is weary. Forsaking them all, I pursue my purpose happily. Knowing I do nothing, I do whatever comes my way, and I am happy. Bound to this body, bound to his body, the seeker insists on striving or on sitting still. But I no longer suppose the body is mine or is not mine, and I am happy. Sleeping, sitting, walking, nothing good or bad befalls me. I sleep, I sit, I walk, and I'm happy. Struggling or at rest, nothing is won or lost. I have forsaken the joy of winning and the sorrow of losing, and I am happy. For pleasures come and go. How often I have watched their inconsistency. But I have forsaken good and bad, and now I am happy.
निर्गुण रे तुझ सगुण म्हणो की निर्गुण रे.
Thank you.